The organ systems. So we have learnt about organs. Now many organs together they form organ system, and these organ system they function together so that our body can do different activities. Besides the sense organs, your body has many other organs. So these organs work in groups. For example, heart is an organ, kidney is an organ, brain is an organ. So all these organs they work together in groups. A group of organs working together to do an important job is called an organ system. So what is organ system? Organ system is actually made with the help of group of organs. Group of organs which work together to do some function. So here it has been mentioned as important job. So many organs together they form organ system, and usually organ system they do a specific function. There are several organ systems in your body which help you to stay alive and do various things. So there are many organ systems in our body which will help us to stay alive and to do various things. So we'll start learning about those organ systems. The first organ system that we're going to learn is the skeletal system. Press different parts of your body. Can you feel the hard parts inside? So if you press different parts of your body, don't press in such a manner where you feel the pain. Suppose if we touch our head, even it can be if you touch our knee region. So even if you touch our elbow region, you feel some hard part in our body. So these are actually called bones. An adult human has 206 bones in the body. So especially when you grow up, okay, when you become an adult, so at that time you'll have 206 bones in our body. They are joined together and form a framework known as the skeleton or skeletal system. So these 206 bones in our body, they join together to form a supporting structure which is called framework. So this forms skeleton or skeletal system. If they ask you a question, how many bones we have in our body, especially in an adult, your answer should be 206 bones. The skeleton gives your body its shape. Skeleton will give our body a proper shape. Without the skeleton, the body will collapse into a heap of flesh. So without a skeleton, our body will not have a proper shape. Whatever flesh we have in our body, that will collapse into a heap of flesh. It also protects all the soft organs of our body. Okay, skeleton will also protect all the soft tissues or organs of our body. You can have a look at our skeletal system. So this will give our basic design. We have a head, hand and foot, and all the other organs are present inside this, and fewer actually organs are present outside this. Okay, so few are present inside this rib cage and all, few are actually present outside. So this actually gives a proper shape to our body, skeletal system. The bones in the skeleton are joined together in such a way that you can move parts of your body. So the bones in our skeleton system are actually arranged or joined in such a manner so that we can move our body parts. So especially we can move our hand, we can move our leg, we can move our neck region, head. So that is mainly possible with the help of skeletal system. The main function of skeletal system is it gives shape, then it gives protection to all the internal organs of our body. Internal organs means the organs which are present inside. The muscular system, the second organ system. Place your left hand on your right upper arm. Bend and straighten your right arm. Can you feel something more? Yeah, definitely, we will feel. The moving parts are your muscles. Some of them are attached to your bones. They pull your bones to make them move. You need strong muscles to lift heavy things or to run fast. The muscles of your body form the muscular system. In this picture, you can see the muscles. Muscles will help in stretching. So muscles will help in movement also. So muscles actually are attached to the bones. They help in the movement of bones, muscles. Okay, they are flexible, somewhat like they are elastic like, they bend. So you can stretch your body. That is mainly possible with the help of muscles. So muscles will help us to move, to lift heavy things or to run fast. So all these things are possible with the help of muscular system. You can have a look at skeletal system. Here it is muscular system. The digestive system. What happens to the food you eat? The food has to be broken down into very small simple pieces. So this is called digestion. The food that we eat should be broken down into small pieces. So this is called digestion of food. Only then it can be absorbed. Only when the food is broken down into small pieces, it is absorbed by our body. When the food is absorbed by our body, we get energy to do the work. The food is digested by a group of organs that form your digestive system. The digestion of food takes place with the help of group of organs which will form our digestive system. The food is first chewed well by your teeth in the mouth. The food is first chewed well with the help of our teeth in the mouth. Digestion starts here. Teeth will break the food particle, larger food particle into smaller pieces. The chewed food is swallowed. It travels through the food pipe to your stomach. The food that is chewed with the help of teeth in the mouth. So later it is swallowed. It will go inside. It travels through the food pipe to our stomach. You can see mouth, here the food is actually chewed. Then it will go to this particular pipe. This is called food pipe. In higher studies you are going to learn it is called esophagus. So from the food pipe, the food will actually reach stomach. Stomach is actually present in your body in the left side. The stomach is a thick bag made up of muscles. It is a thick bag made up of muscles. Here the food is mixed well with some digestive juices and made into a liquid. In the stomach, food is mixed well with some digestive juices which helps in digestion, and also it is made into liquid. A part of digestion takes place here. A part of the digestion of the food will take place in the stomach region. The massed food is then sent to the small intestine. The food which is almost in the liquid form, that is sent to the small intestine. Here it is further digested and absorbed into the blood. So here in the small intestine region it is further broken down, then it is absorbed into the blood. The food that cannot be digested reaches the large intestine. The food which cannot be digested, this is small intestine. After stomach, small intestine. Small intestine is connected with large intestine. This is large intestine. This one, large intestine. The food which is not digested, then it will go to the large intestine. The digested food in the intestine will be absorbed by the blood. The food which is not digested, so that will be passed into the large intestine. Water is absorbed and waste is then thrown out of our body through anus. Large intestine will help in absorbing the water. Even undigested food, there is an opening here. So this is called anus. Undigested food from the large intestine is actually eliminated out or thrown out with the help of through anus or anus. The mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine form our digestive system. Mouth, food pipe, this one, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, then the opening, outer opening through which the waste food will go out. So that is called anus. All these parts will form our digestive system. The respiratory system, the next organ system. Take a deep breath and feel the air enter your chest as it expands. Whenever we take a deep breath, we can feel the air entering our chest as it expands. When you breathe in, air enters your body through your nose. So whenever we breathe in, air will enter our body through our nose. The opening of the nose is called nostril. It's not mentioned here, it is called nostril. It then passes through the windpipe and goes to the lungs. The air that is taken in through the nostril of the nose, it will go to windpipe, which is also called trachea, you learn in higher studies. Then it will go to lungs. The air you breathe in has oxygen. The air that we take in, it mainly contains oxygen, which you need to get energy. So we need to breathe the air containing oxygen because oxygen is very important to get energy. The food, the digested food, which is absorbed by the blood, will be sent to all the body cells. In each cell, by using oxygen, the food will release energy. The digested food will release energy. For that, oxygen is very important. The oxygen is absorbed from the air in the lungs. The oxygen is absorbed from the air in the lungs. The absorbed oxygen is taken to all the parts of your body by the blood. Blood will carry the oxygen to all the body parts, especially all the cells. The nose, windpipe, lungs make up our respiratory system. Okay, you can see nose here, windpipe is this, then lungs. So we have pair of lungs, that is two lungs are actually present in our body. So nose, windpipe and lungs will make our respiratory system.